Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous video we learned about applications of trigonometry and we solved some problems related to single triangle. Okay. So students, if suppose two triangles there means how we will solve those problems. Okay. So we are going to learn about the problem related to two triangles in this exercise 12.2. And students, you can find my previous videos in playlist. Okay, so now let's see problem number 1 in exercise 12.2. So see problem number 1. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road. From a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. Okay. So students, first according to the given data we need to draw the neat diagram. Okay. So that's first. So what is the thing, children? Here a TV tower is there that stands vertically on the side of a road. Okay, suppose, see children, this is a road and this is a tower, vertically stood with 90 degrees. Now from a point on the other side directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. Okay, so other side of this road you take one point opposite to this tower, and from this point he is observing top of the tower. Then angle of elevation, line between like this base and the line of sight. Okay, so angle of elevation is how much? 60 degrees. Okay, and children, here height of the observer is not given, so we will neglect it. Now see the next point. So first angle of the elevation is 60 degrees, that's fine. From another point 10 meters, okay, 10 meters away from this point. Away means what? Forward. So from this point 10 meters away means forward. Okay, we should not take near. 10 meters away. So more 10 meters line you draw here. This is 10 meters. So from this point, so which is joining this point to foot of the tower. So on the same line from this point we have taken 10 meters away. Okay, and from this point angle of elevation, okay, angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. So from this point he is observing the top of the tower again. So angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So children, so whenever we are moving forward, then angle of elevation will decrease. So whenever we are going near, suppose whenever we are going to our schools, what will happen? So whenever, so school buildings there, suppose, so whenever walking here, so if you want to see our school board, school name board, so if you go near, we will see like this, more height we will see. Means angle of elevation will increase. So whenever we are coming forward, suppose whenever we are going to temple, so while going back, if you see the top of that temple, okay, so what will happen? Slowly whenever we are moving forward, that angle of elevation will decrease. So slowly that will disappear when we are moving forward. Okay, so when with respect to target, here distance is increasing, so angle of elevation will decrease. If it is coming near, then angle of elevation will increase. Okay, so first name it this triangle, children. So name it. This is triangle A, B, C, and here this is D. So here there are two triangles, children. A, B, D is one triangle. A, B, C is one triangle. If you take out this line, this is one triangle. Okay, and even ACD also triangle, but we will neglect it because right angle triangles we will take. Okay, so now just focus on what we need to do here. What they are asking us to find the height of the tower and width of the road. Okay, so they gave this measurement in meters, so we need to assume in meters. Yeah, so children, here let height of the tower be h meters and let width of the road, okay, width of the road. So where is road, children? This one, BC is road, that is x. AB is height, that is h. So bx meters. Now children, here there are two triangles. Okay, so now I am considering triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So from this 60 degrees is seen top of the tower, that is point A. Okay, so here tan 60 degrees is equal to AB by BC. So from triangle ABC you can write tan 60 degrees is equal to h by x. Okay, so what is the value of tan 60 degrees? Root 3, and children, by x becomes into x, that is equal to h. So or this can be written as h is equal to root 3x, and take it as equation 1. So now children, after 60 degrees, let's see at point D. So with respect to this point D, he is observing this top of the tower. Okay, so with what angle? 30 degrees. Okay, so which triangle we have to consider now? Triangle ABD. Okay, so now from triangle ABD, and children, from triangle ABD, angle is at D, that is 30 degrees. So with respect to 30 degrees, we have to take opposite side to adjacent side. Okay, so tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side is h by adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? X plus 10. Okay, what is the adjacent side? X plus 10. Okay, so what is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. That is equal h by x plus 10. So now children, here what is their h value is there? Even from this we need to find h value. So to get h, what we need to do? Simply you transpose this by x plus 10 to the left hand side. So then what you will get? X plus 10 by root 3 is equal to h, or it can be written as h is equal x plus 10 by root 3. Take this as equation 2. So now children, this first equation also h is equal root 3x. Second equation also h is equal x plus 10 by root 3. So both the equations are equal to h. So both these RHS values are equal to h. So according to Euclid, the things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. Yes. So root 3x and x plus 10 by root 3 we can equate. Okay. So from equation 1, children, EQN means equation. From equation 1 and equation 2, what we can write? Root 3x is equal to x plus 10 by root 3. Okay. So now children, this by root 3 you transpose to left hand side. By root 3 becomes into root 3. So that becomes root 3x into root 3 is equal to x plus 10. So children, root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 3 square x. That is equal x plus 10. So square and square root cancel. What is left? 3x. Okay. So children, now this plus x we need to transpose to left hand side. So that is 3x minus x is equal to 3x minus x is equal to 10. And 3x minus x value is 2x, and 2x is equal to 10. So then children, what is x value? Into becomes by no, into becomes by 2. So that is equal to 5. What is x? X is nothing but width of the road. So that is 5 meters. That is 5 meters. So here you can write, therefore width of the road. Okay. So therefore width of the road is equal to 5 meters. And children, now we got one variable value, that's x. It's width of the road we found already. Now we need to find the value of h, which is height of the tower. So you can find h value either from equation 1 or equation 2. You will get the same answer. So now I am taking equation 1. Okay. So from equation 1, h is equal to root 3x. So h is equal to root 3 into 5, which gives you 5 root 3 meters. So children, what is the height of the tower? 5 root 3 meters. So if you want to simplify more, here you can take root 3 is equal to 1.732 and multiply. So if not, you can stop here. Sometimes they will give here in bracket root 3 is equal to 1.732, root 2 is equal to 1.414, etc. These things. If they give, compulsory we have to substitute. So here they are not mentioned, so you can stop here. H is equal to 5 root 3 meters. So finally, what is the last step? Therefore, height of the tower, H is equal to 5 root 3 meters. So students, in this way we will solve this problem. Let's see problem number 2. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height. 30 meter in height from a point at a certain distance. Okay. So he is looking at the top of the temple. Okay. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple. Okay, he is observing top of the crown of the temple. Okay, increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. So students, so what is the thing? So temple is there which is 30 meters in height. Okay. So children, see, let it be temple. Okay. And he is observing. So who is observing? A tall boy. Means his height is 1.5 meter tall boy. Okay. Here height of the observer is given. So we have to consider that height. Okay. So this is that boy. His height is 1.5 meter. And children, what is the height of the temple? That is 30 meters. Okay, fine. Now what happened? So he is in certain distance. The distance we don't know. So from one point he is observing the top of the crown of the temple. Okay. So the angle of elevation towards the top of the crown of the temple is increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. So children, towards means this side, temple side. Okay, so like left side means near to this temple. Far means right side. Okay, so left. So now just you draw one horizontal line here first. And first, what is the angle of elevation? 30 degrees. And next, what happened? He is walking towards the temple. Okay, so whenever he is walking towards the temple, he suppose, so that boy came from this point to this point, certain distance he walked. Okay, so and again he is observing the top of the crown of the temple, and what is happening? Angle of elevation increased. Just in first problem we discussed. So whenever we are going towards the targets, angle of elevation will increase. So whenever we are going far from the targets, angle of elevation will decrease. So here this angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And what is the question? Distance he walked towards the temple. So what is the distance he walked towards the temple? So from this point to this point he walked. Okay, so like this. First he observed like this. Again he walked some distance. Again he observed. Okay. So here name this triangle A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So children, here his height is 1.5 meters. If it is 1.5, even this is also 1.5 meter. So children, if it is 1.5, BC is 1.5. What will be AB? So AB will be 20. So 30 minus 1.5. So 30 minus 1.5 is how much? 28.5. Okay. So that is 28.5. So 28.5 meters from A to B, length is 28.5 meters. And children, so the distance walked by that boy from point E to point F is X. Okay. And yeah. So total distance from B to E we don't know. Okay. So we can assume this part, children. So this side BF you take as Y. So BF is Y and FE is X. Okay. So children, so you can write here like AB is equal to 28.5 meters. AB is equal to 28.5 meters. And BF is equal to X, sorry, Y. And FE is equal to X. So children, they are asking us to find the value of X only. Okay. So let the distance walked by the tall boy, 1.5 meters tall boy is X meters. Okay. So now, children, we can see two triangles. One is triangle ABF. Okay. And triangle ABE. So why we need to take these two triangles only? Because he is observing top of the crown of the temple. Top of the crown of the temple. So this triangle we have to consider. This is the height. So already he is having 1.5 meters. So that's the reason. So this height of the boy we are not considering. So above that. Okay. So again he walked towards the temple. Again he is observing the top of the crown of the temple. So that's the reason we have to consider ABF and ABE. Okay. So that's the reason. Now from triangle ABF. Okay. From triangle ABF. So children, from triangle ABF, what we can write in this like angle is 60 degrees with respect to 60 degrees, opposite side is there and adjacent side is there. So you can write tan 60 degrees is equal to 28.5, that is opposite side, by adjacent side y. So tan 60 value is root 3, children. Root 3 is equal to 28.5 by y. So root 3 nothing but root 3 by 1. So by cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication, what we can write, children? Y into root 3 is equal to 1 into 28.5. Okay, so we can write 1 into root 3 into y is equal to 1 into 28.5. That is 28.5 only. Okay, now y is equal 28.5 by root 3. So children, if you want, here you can rationalize this denominator into root 3 by root 3. So that is 28.5 root 3 by root 3 square, that is 3. So 3 ones are, 3 sevens are, 3 nines are 27. Okay, 9.5. So y is equal to 9.5 root 3. Okay, so like distance after you walk towards the temple. Okay, so from this point to temple. So after walking, distance between the tall boy and the temple is 9.5 root 3 meters. But here we need to find the value of x. Okay, so which triangle we have to take? Triangle ABE. Okay, so from triangle ABE, so what is the angle here, children? 30 degrees. With 30 degrees, opposite side is 28.5. So you have to think like this side is not there, suppose. So then what is there? Opposite to 30 degrees, 28.5. Okay. So tan 30 degrees is equal to 28.5 by. So what is the adjacent side, children? Y plus x, this total. So in triangle AB, adjacent side is BE, BF plus FE. So that is y plus x. Okay. So already we got y value as 9.5 root 3. Okay. So and tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. That is equal 28.5 by y value is what? 9.5 root 3 plus x. Now again by cross multiplication. Okay, again cross multiplication. So what we can write? 1 into this means 9.5 root 3 x 9.5 root 3 plus x is equal 28.5 into root 3, that is 28.5 root 3. So now children, x is equal to what? 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. So that is equal 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3. Children, you can take root 3 common. So in bracket 98.5 minus 9.5. So what is this difference? 28.5 minus 9.5 is there. Okay. So that is 19. Okay. So root 3 into 19. So children, value of x is root 3 into 19, so that can be written as x is equal to 19 root 3 meters. So what is x? The distance walked by 1.5 meter tall by from the beginning point towards the temple. Okay, so therefore you can write, therefore distance walked towards temple, so that is x is equal to 19 root 3 meters. So children, if want, we can take root 3 as 1.732 and you can multiply. Okay, so children, in this way we will solve this problem. Okay students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in comment section, and subscribe my channel, share my channel, and thank you for watching children. Bye.